Hello guys, today a short tutorial about how to force SOLIDWORKS to use the best video card from your computer. Right click, display settings, go down, here we have graphic settings, here we'll search the SOLIDWORKS. It will be like this. Right click on SOLIDWORKS properties and copy without code from here down. Ctrl C, paste it, enter, and here search SOLIDWORKS. Click on add, go on options and choose not this one, choose high performance video card. Save it, close it, and maybe now you need to give a restart. Choose